Hi there, this is Xavi from Spotahome, Barcelona. Today we are in the downtown in street Palla, Carrer de la Palla, okay, just near the Cathedral of Barcelona, just 2 minutes, and well, it's really centric. And here we have an apartment in the third floor, and there's a room renting, okay, and it also leaves the property here in another room, okay. This is a student for about 23 years old that's finishing his grades, and well, let's see, this is the apartment. This is the third floor, okay. This is the window of the room that's renting, okay. This is the entrance, the phone, okay. Okay, so this is the entrance, and as you can see on the right, first we have the bathroom, okay. On the left, the room that's renting, that's the landlord's room, and here we have the living room and the kitchen at the end. It's not, this is the bathroom, okay. Have the sink, okay, have the shower, and behind the door have the toilet, okay. Here to leave the towels and everything. And well, let's see the bedroom. This is the first bedroom, okay, with a single bed, as you can see, with the window that we have seen now, and the closet, okay. And here there will be a desk instead of this furniture, okay. So here we will have a desk. If you are students or workers, you will work here your desk, okay. There's Wi-Fi activated, okay. So let's see the other part. This is the living room, okay. Here we have the landlord that's working now, and well, this is two balconies, okay. The living room, sofas, well, table, okay, as you can see. Okay, here we have some shelves to leave all your things. It's a very big living room. Let's see what we have here outside. This is, okay, this is the street de la Palla, okay. And on the left, if we walk 2 minutes, we will get to the Cathedral of Barcelona, okay. Today it's really sunny, and as you can see, it's this living room. It's really bright. Okay, and let's see the kitchen. Have it here. There are some chairs here for you have friends coming. Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, you have the sink, all the kitchen stuff. Okay, here some space to leave all your things, dishes. Okay, here we have kitchen with a ceramic. Okay, extractor. Here we have the oven. Okay. More space here. Okay, behind me we have the microwave. Okay, more space here to leave all your things. And here the washing machine. Okay, and also the fridge. Okay, and freezer. And here we have strings to dry your clothes and everything. And here we have the electric heater. Okay, and more space out here. Okay, so well, that's it. This is the living room, and well, that's it. I hope you like it, and see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.